ज्ञान वो पूंजी है जिसे कोई चुरा नहीं सकता और शिक्षा वो निवेश है जिसका लाभ जीवन भर मिलता है। जहाँ ज्ञान है वहाँ प्रकाश है, जहाँ शिक्षा है वहाँ विकास है। So where there is knowledge, there is light. Where there is education, there is progress. Esteemed Vice Chancellor Sir, Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi, respected Chairman Vice Council, Professor Santosh Kumar Agarwal Sir, in absentia, respected Professor Prabhat Kumar Manjhi Sir, former Professor. Sorry, sir. So extreme sorry. So respected Professor Ranjan Kumar Paul Sir, former Vice Chancellor ASPM University, Professor Padmalita Rautar Ma'am, Head Department of Business Management, Coordinator Department of PMI, Dr. Devadatta Das Sir, Coordinator of Commerce, and Dr. Artavan Jaina Sir, Associate Professor, Department of Business Management. Esteemed faculty members, dear colleagues, scholars, and fellow students. So it is said that commerce is not merely about earning wealth; it is about creating value, building trust, and contributing to society. So today we gather to celebrate Commerce Day 2026, a day that reminds us that commerce is not confined to balance sheets and financial statement. It is the backbone of innovations, ethical governance, sustainable development, and inclusive growth. On behalf of Department of Commerce in collaboration with Department of Business Management and Department of PMI, I, Dr. Gayatri Bhara, Assistant Professor of Commerce, welcome you all on the eve of Commerce Day 2026. Knowledge comes, but wisdom lingers. As said by Alfred Lord Tennyson, I may now request our esteemed distinguished dignitaries to kindly grace the dais. So may I respectfully invite our chief guest, Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi Sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Fakir-Mohd University, to kindly grace the dais. May I request our guest of honor, Professor Santosh Kumar Agarwal, Chairman, PG Council, Fakir-Mohd University, to grace the dais. May I respectfully invite our guest of honor, Professor Prabhat Kumar Manjhi Sir, former Professor Utkal University, to kindly grace the dais. May I request our guest of honor, Professor Ranjan Kumar Paul Sir, Vice Chancellor, ASPM University, to kindly grace the dais. May I also invite our Professor Padmalita Rautar Ma'am, Head Department of Business Management, and Dr. Devadatta Das Sir, to kindly grace the dais. May I now request our respected dignitaries to kindly participate in the ceremonial watering of the plant. पेड़ केवल प्रकृति की देन नहीं, आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए हमारा संकल्प है. The watering of the plant symbolizes life, growth, wisdom, and our shared commitment to nurturing both knowledge and nature. Everyone present over here to kindly rise for the recitation of the university anthem. A sapling gifted today is a promise of a greener tomorrow. May I request the student volunteers to present saplings to our distinguished guests as a humble token of gratitude and our shared commitment towards environmental sustainability. Vriksho rakshati rakshitaha. If we protect the trees will protect us. Parokaraya phalanti vrikshaha. Trees bear fruit for the welfare of others. नेतृत्व पद से नहीं प्रेरणा से पहचाना जाता है. जथा राजा तथा प्रजा. As is the leader, so are the people. It is now my profound privilege to request our respected Vice Chancellor sir to kindly preside over today's program. Courtesy is the first chapter of the Book of Wisdom, as said by Thomas Jefferson. So it is my distinct privilege to invite Dr. Devadatta Das, sir, Coordinator, Department of Commerce, to deliver the welcome address and introduce our distinguished guest. Sir.
Good morning, one and all. Esteemed Vice Chancellor Professor Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi sir, esteemed guest of honor Professor Prabhat Kumar Mohanty sir, esteemed guest of honor Professor Ranjan Kumar Bora sir, esteemed Chairperson Vidhi Council Professor Santosh Kumar Agrola sir, esteemed Head of the Department of Business Management Department and Coordinator PMI Department Professor Padmalita Rautra Madam, all the faculty members, all my dear students. So today we are here to celebrate Commerce Day 2026. So first of all, I would like to welcome all of you to this celebration of Commerce Day 2026. On behalf of University, on behalf of myself, I would like to welcome all of you to this August gathering. So first of all, I am proud and privileged to introduce our today's guest. Our esteemed guest, Professor Ranjan Kumar Bora sir, an eminent academician, distinguished administrator, a university gold medalist in M.Com with record marks and alumnus of prestigious FDPM from IIM Ahmedabad. Professor Bird has held several key positions including Head and Dean of the Faculty of Commerce and Management, Director DDC, UGC Academic Staff College, IQAC, Chairman of PG Council at Utkal University, and Vice Chancellor of ASBM University. A prolific researcher and a mentor, he has guided 33 PhD scholars, authored 7 books, and published 86 research papers. His remarkable contribution to higher education and the field of commerce have earned him immense respect across the academic community. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending a warm, heartfelt welcome to our distinguished guest, Professor Ranjan Kumar Bora. Our next guest of honor, Professor Dr. P.K. Mohanty sir, Prabhat Kumar Mohanty sir. It is my great pleasure to introduce our distinguished guest, Professor P.K. Mohanty sir, former professor and head of the Department of Business Administration, Utkal University, and currently Dean of School of Business, Trident Academy of Technology, an eminent academician and researcher. Dr. Mohanty has undertaken postdoctoral research in the UK and Germany, published over 140 research papers and successfully guided 32 PhD scholars. He is the recipient of S.B. Mishra Gold Medal for Excellence in HR and has served as an AICTE expert and UGC peer team convener. Let us please join me in extending a warm welcome to our guest of honor, Professor P.K. Mohanty. Next, we are honored to have Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Fakir University, as our chief guest and president of the program. His visionary leadership and commitment to academic excellence continue to inspire the university community. So I welcome you, sir, to this celebration of Commerce Day 2026. We warmly welcome Professor Santosh Kumar Agrawala, Chairman, PG Council, Fakir University, as our guest of honor. His academic excellence, guidance, and administrative leadership has significant contribution to the development of the university. We warmly welcome Professor Padmalita Rautray Madam, Head of the Department of Business Management and Coordinator Department of PMI Fakir University, a distinguished academician and administrator. Her leadership continues to inspire students and faculty members. It's a matter of great pride and privilege to welcome you all to the celebration of Commerce Day. This occasion reminds us the significant contribution of commerce to save the business, economies and society. Commerce is the heartbeat of each and every economy. It connects producer with the consumer. It connects idea with opportunity. It connects innovation with prosperity. In today's rapid changing world, the commerce has been transformed due to the artificial intelligence, digital technology, sustainability and global collaboration. Success in commerce is not merely profit, but the value we create for the society. Dear students, your degree is not just a certificate, it is your passport to leadership, entrepreneurship, innovation and nation building. Dream big, work hard, remain ethical, never stop learning. Our former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has reminded us, dream transform into thoughts and thoughts into action. So let us dream and creating business that are ethically, sustainable, innovative and globally competitive. On this special occasion, I sincerely congratulate all our students, volunteers and the faculty members of Commerce and Business Management Department as well as PMI Department for contributing for the success of this celebration of Commerce Day 2026. And my heartfelt gratitude to our Vice Chancellor, Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi sir, for his guidance and leadership. We are celebrating this Commerce Day in this university level for the first time, and also I extend my heart gratitude to all the dignitaries present in the dais for blessing this event by their presence. So, as our university philosophy believes, one team, one dream, together we win. So, with this, I conclude my speech. Thank you all. Once again, I welcome all of you to this Commerce Day 2026.
Thank you, sir, for your warm words of welcome and thoughtful introduction. Have beautifully set the tone for today's celebration. Vidya dadati vinayam vinayadayati patratam patratvat dhanam apnoti dhanat dharmam tata sukham. Knowledge bestows humility, humility leads to worthiness, worthiness brings prosperity, prosperity enables righteousness, and righteousness leads to lasting happiness. So it is now my distinct honor to invite Professor Padmalita Rautray Ma'am, Head Department of Business Management and Coordinator Department of PMI, to address this August gathering. Ma'am.
Good morning, good afternoon all. Esteemed Vice Chancellor, Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi sir, my Guru, Prabhat Kumar Mahanti sir, and also my indirect Guru, Ranjan Val sir, whom I have learned from refresher course in Commerce Department, Santosh Kumar Agrawala sir, PG Council Chairman, colleagues sitting in front of me, professors, students of Commerce, Management, PMI and all other department students who are present here, and all the faculty members and people representing the media center. First, I will congratulate all of you on this particular occasion, Commerce Day, which is celebrated on 2026 in our Fakir University premise. Before I say something about the Commerce Day, I would like to inform all of you that the Department of Commerce the origin of the department started as a program in Department of Business Management in year 2012, and it was successfully ran for 6 years, and in 2018 it got a separate independent status as a regular department, and the department is successfully running since then. And we have from the department, lot of students have been awarded in PhD degree, and they are working in different capacity in SSB, OPC, and in other colleges as well as in the industry also. On this occasion, I would like to say that Commerce Day, why it is celebrated, because commerce is, we can say that it's the mother of business management. So we cannot say that business management without commerce is complete. It is rather incomplete without commerce. So commerce is the origin of any other discipline in the management. Commerce Day is celebrated because it is the vital role of commerce is very, very important in shaping businesses, economies, and society. Traditionally, commerce has included trade, accounting, finance, banking, and business management, but today its scope is rapidly expanding with e-commerce, fintech, blockchain, AI, digital marketing, and business analytics, and global supply chain. Besides that, sustainability, ESG, circular economy, and social entrepreneurship are also becoming central to the commerce discipline. Integration of commerce and management is also increasingly important because commerce builds financial and economic understanding, while management adds planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Together, they strengthen decision-making, leadership, and strategic thinking, enabling efficient and sustainable organizational growth. Students must embrace multidisciplinary and outbound learning through this discipline. This includes integrating knowledge from IT, data science, law, psychology, and environmental studies. Outbound learning through intensive industry visits, live projects, and incubators, business theory and practice, improving industry readiness and adaptability. It is also important to include Indian knowledge system in commerce education, and from this year we have integrated Indian knowledge system in all the courses of commerce, management, and BMAT under the faculty of business studies and management. We can say that some common points are there which can be discussed further in coming quarter, like how Kotalya's Arthashastra, which has contributed to the trade, commerce, and management. We can conduct simultaneously one-day workshop and virtual workshop where students can learn together how the values, Indian values, can strengthen the commerce and management discipline for holistic growth of the business, as well as helping the student to develop as a holistic person. Today's commerce graduates are becoming entrepreneurs, analysts, consultants, and global leaders. The future belongs to those who combine business skills with technology, innovation, ethics, and as well as having Indian perspective of the business, which we say that our Prime Minister said that we can become a Vishwaguru by integrating Indian knowledge system into the commerce and management discipline and can emerge as the global leader. I will just suggest one thing that both commerce and management students should always think from each other's perspective and have multidisciplinary angle while resolving some of the problems of the society as well as the business. So business and society are interrelated, and we cannot just think that only discipline wise thinking and only obtaining degree. If we do not have a purpose specific education, then we cannot give back to the society. So our objective being in this Commerce Day to think that how we can give back to the society through our learning and help who are really needy and who can uplift themselves through our education and learning. So that should be our motto. On this Commerce Day, let us embrace change, build our skills, and prepare to lead with integrity, innovation, and responsibility. And I thank you all, and I wish you all a very happy Commerce Day. Thank you all.
The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. Alo Bhadra Katvam Jantu Visradaha. Let noble thoughts come to us from every direction. It is my immense pleasure and privilege to invite our guest of honor, Professor Santosh Kumar Agarwal Sir, Chairman PG Council, to address the gathering.
esteemed Vice Chancellor Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi, today's President of this meeting, esteemed guest of honor Professor Prabhat Kumar Mahante, esteemed guest of honor Professor Ranjan Kumar Bal, esteemed Head of the Department of Management Professor Padmalita Rautrai Madam, esteemed Coordinator Commerce Dr. Devadatta Das sir, and my dear colleagues, my student friends. First of all, I congratulate the students of Commerce, Management and TIMR as well as the faculty members of this department for organizing Commerce Day in our university. So I think this is the first time we are celebrating the Commerce Day in our university. Our visionary Vice Chancellor, Professor Santosh Kumar Tripathi. As a person from a non-commerce background, I can say that everyone uses basic principles of commerce in their daily lives, such as maintaining records of expenditure, managing income, saving money, and investing in instruments like mutual funds. However, these activities are often carried out in an unsystematic manner without adequate financial awareness. Students of commerce and management have an important role to play in guiding the community towards systematic financial planning and management. So I request the department and its students to identify effective way to promote financial literacy and awareness through outreach activity that can benefit society at large. To the students of commerce and management again, do not be afraid of failure. In the world of commerce, every failed venture is a master class in market research, risk management, and resilience. Dare to think differently, take calculated risks, and build enterprises that make your institution proud. Thank you once again to the organizing committee for inviting me to be a part of this vibrant celebration. I wish you all insightful and energetic, highly successful Commerce Day. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your enlightening and thought-provoking address. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Knowledge grows when it is shared and a program becomes memorable through seamless collaboration. As we move forward with the next segment of today's program, I now have the pleasure of inviting Mrs. Subhasri Khilak, Assistant Professor of Commerce, to conduct the remaining part of the program. Ma'am.
Thank you, madam. A very good afternoon to one and all present over here. I, Subhasri Khilak, Assistant Professor of PG Department of Commerce, Pokemon University, extend my heartfelt gratitude and best wishes to each one of you on this auspicious occasion of Commerce Day 2026. Commerce is the heartbeat of global economy, where innovation fuels progress, ethics builds trust, and entrepreneurship creates the sustainable future. With this note, moving ahead, now we will begin with our felicitation ceremony. So may I request Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi sir, Vice Chancellor for Kirmoni University, to felicitate our today's guest of honor, Professor Ranjan Kumar Bal sir, former Vice Chancellor of ASPM University. Please give a big round of applause. May I now request our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir to felicitate the eminent guest of honor, Professor Prabhat Kumar Mohanty sir, former Professor of Utkal University. Thank you, sir. Moving ahead, may I request the eminent academician, Professor Prabhat Kumar Mohanty sir, former Professor Utkal University, to kindly deliver his keynote address. So,
Very good afternoon to all of you, and congratulations to you all, the students of Commerce, PMIR, Business Management, and the teachers for celebrating the Commerce Day. When I was asked by the Honorable Vice Chancellor to come for the function, I was surprised. I was neither a student of commerce nor a teacher of commerce. But now I know that this is being done in collaboration with the Department of Business Management and PMIR. I was a student of PMIR and a teacher of both PMIR and Business Administration. People say commerce is the root, MBA is the fruit. Likely so, because all management programs, most management programs in India emerge from the commerce department. Some from economics also. But if you look at other countries, Western countries, especially in Europe, management emerged as a discipline from psychology, anthropology, from culture department. But here it is mostly from the commerce department. So commerce and management, as Professor Pattalika Rao stressed, it is one and the same. Commerce had its roots in the early 1900s, when business leaders recognized the need to celebrate the contribution of trade and commerce to the society. The idea first emerged in the US, where a group of prominent business figures in the business world, they wanted to honor the hard work of the entrepreneurs, traders, and the merchants. But if you refer to Greek mythology, Poseidon is called the father of commerce. He is the god. He is the god of the sea and trader of it. Since trading was related to commerce, he is known as the father of commerce. That is according to Greek mythology. Though in India, nobody officially is giving the title of father of commerce, but if you look at the Indian industry, father of industry and commerce is popularly attributed to Mr. Jamshedji Tata, who founded the Tata Group with a modest capital of 21,000 rupees at that time, and changed the Indian commercial landscape from the British controlled import-export trade towards self-reliant, heavy industrial manufacturing and modern corporate enterprises. Some of his early ventures include the trading and mills. He converted the bankrupt oil mill to a profitable Alexander Mill and founded the Empress Mill in Nagpur. His early ventures. In iron and steel, though he set up the iron and TISCO, Tata Iron and Steel Company in Jamshedpur in 1907, his son Dorabji Tata commissioned it later. And now we call it Tata Sons Limited from 2005, Tata Sons Limited. He also stressed on the clean energy, hydroelectric energy at that time, envisioned clean energy systems that involved Tata Power to fuel the Bombay heavy industrial growth. And now Tata Power has become a way of life in Odisha also. All the 4 zones, distribution of which have been given to Tata Power. And you are in the northern zone, Cuttack Bhubaneswar in the central division, western division, and southern division. In the hospitality sector also, Jamshedji Tata set up and founded the Taj Palace at Bombay, the luxury hotel, to cater to the higher groups in the society. So therefore, he is rightly called the father of Indian industry and commerce. Coming to this Commerce Day, why people celebrate all over the globe the Commerce Day? Because it emphasizes the value of local businesses and their contribution to the society. Because it provides jobs and support the families. The day honors the entrepreneurial spirit that leads to innovation and economic development. It brings attention to ethical practices and sustainability, encouraging businesses to grow while caring for the planet. So because of commerce trading across boundaries, now we enjoy this impact of the international commerce in terms of global supply chain, e-commerce, which Professor Padmanitha Rao was emphasizing, trade agreements, and of course, environmental concerns for everyone. Coming to e-commerce, because of the e-commerce, the whole all commercial activities have been revolutionized. English innovator Michael Aldrich is widely recognized globally as the inventor and father of electronic commerce. In 1979, he connected a modified domestic television to a transaction processing computer via a telephone line to enable online shopping. And since then, what happens. In India, it is promoted by a person, an engineer, K. Vachishwaran, is popularly known as father of e-commerce. He founded India's first e-commerce and online retail site, HubMap, later became India Plaza in 1979. He has written a book called Failing to Succeed, the story of India's first e-commerce. In the book, he described about the turn of the startup journey. He reminds that innovation alone is not enough. What is more important is the resilience, continuity, and the ability to navigate team dynamics through clarity and conviction. And the gentleman belongs to Tirunelveli city in Tamil Nadu. All of you know Amazon, and all of you are very used to Amazon. When Jeff Bezos popularized the mass-scale global e-commerce by founding Amazon in 1995, both Amazon and eBay turned the modern web-based e-commerce into a global retail standard. Indian e-commerce now, it is expected that by 2030, the e-commerce business in India would cross $250 billion, about 240,000 crores rupees in India. And if you look at the sector-wide e-commerce growth, in the beauty and wellness sector, Nykaa is the big destination for specialized cosmetic brands. Myntra and Ajio for clothing, beauty, lifestyle trends. And for groceries, Big Basket and JioMart dominate now the daily essentials. Now, if you look at the commerce education, now I will tell you something about my school days. During late 60s, when I was in high school, people in the villages, without having any formal education, they used to say, Please don't mind the commerce student, excuse me for the statement. This is not my statement. This is the perception of the leader, persons who didn't have formal education, only illiterates. BA is the standard. BSc, BA to basic. BCom, BA to com. One student, good student from a village, got admission to BCom. And excuse me, one person said, "Tor BA hela nahi, BCom nahi." No, if that was the perception, what a transformation for the commerce. Commerce from a stage where that was the perception, now is the most sought after course in the country. So big transformation about commerce. And commerce courses always, the classes were held during morning hours. I asked to one of the professors of the commerce, who will know more and became the director of education in Odisha, "Sir, why commerce classes were held during morning hours? Now you see all the classes because of the separation of close to courses and all close to colleges classes were held in the morning." He said always, commerce students, they were the headache of the principals. So therefore all principals wanted that commerce classes should be held. By the time the day class starts, headache will be over and they will be out of the campus. But a transformation now for the commerce. Commerce you find everywhere. Commerce has become a way of life. Commerce is not confined to whatever accounting or bookkeeping or other practices. Commerce has gone beyond the boundaries, which Dr. Rautare was talking about the fintech and the BFSI. Fintech is the most sought after course now. Banking, finance, services, and insurance is very important for the commerce. And I congratulate the Vice Chancellor, Professor Tripathi, that he introduced IKS in the courses of 21st in the state, in all courses. To find out what really they say and how it is useful in this 21st century to incorporate those ideas in our day-to-day business so far as commerce is concerned. In 1986, first commercial school opened in Madras. 1903, President's College in Calcutta begins teaching commerce classes. 1930, we are late in Odisha actually, starting the commerce courses. Sydenham College of Commerce and Economics established in Mumbai as the first dedicated college of commerce. 1950 to 30, universities across India introduced BCom and MCom courses. CA courses was introduced in 49, and the Indian Institute of Bankers started teaching commerce also during 1926 to 1934. In Odisha, GM College and Rajendra College, Balangir, these two colleges were the pioneers in introducing commerce courses in 1944. Holycourt started 11 years after that in 55. In 57 to 59, ICOM and BCom courses were introduced in Redensa College. Honors opened in 69. And in Utkal University, it was late in 62. Commerce courses were introduced in 62. And in 96, the Commerce Department started a course, MFC, Master of Finance and Control, which is now renamed as MBA Financial Management. So Commerce and MBA are one and two inseparable disciplines. The MBA program opened in Odisha in 1984. It was in Utkal University in 1984. 2 years before ASEAN Regional Management College of Management started, and Javed Institute of Management also started in the same year, 84, to Shikep. But if you look at the country, in 1948, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, set up a management department in 1948. XLRI, Javier Labour Research Institute, Jamshedpur, established management and labor welfare courses. In 53, Indian Institute of Social Welfare and Business Management, Calcutta, offered country's first full-time master degree program. So these are the courses introduced Even Delhi School of Economics also started first the evening programs in management with the help of All India Management Association and the international collaboration through Ford Foundation. After that, first IIM was Calcutta, established in 61 with the help of Sloan School of Management, MIT Sloan School of Management, and in 62 IIM Ahmedabad was established with the assistance from Harvard Business School. So these are the developments of the commerce and management education. Now, if you look at every university, you find commerce courses there, management courses are there in different ways, and all institutes, so many institutes. So there is tremendous scope not only for commerce, student of business management, and also PMR because of the growth of business in different forms in this country. And internationally now we have gone beyond the boundary because of the international trade. It has now become internationalized. Especially for commerce, even for management, there are a lot of industry accepted value-added courses are there, especially courses offered by NISM, National Institute of Securities Markets. They offer a lot of courses, especially my advice for commerce and MBA students, MBA finance, those who are offering. You go for NISM courses, small courses, 8-hour courses, 10-hour courses, certificate courses, diploma courses are there, going up to 1 year. But if you complete these courses are accepted. If you are going for the insurance sector, they have insurance sector courses. If you are opting for banking as an option to be a banker, they have also online short courses for banking. This will help you in your career. And in campus interview, the recruiters they emphasize what are the value-added courses that you have undergone through your studentship here. So with this, I thank you very much and wish all of you for having wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, sir, for your enlightening and thought-provoking address. Your words have provided valuable perspectives on the changing dimensions of commerce and higher education. We are truly grateful for your inspiring message. Now, it is my honor to invite the renowned academician, Professor Ranjan Kumar Bala sir, ASBM University, to address the August gathering.
समस्त नमस्कार, Honorable Vice Chancellor, esteemed my senior colleague Prabhat sir, my esteemed colleagues on the dais sitting in front of me, and my dear students. मोर परिचय होची मु जने कॉमर्स और मैनेजमेंट रो छात्र बाय चांस कॉमर्स पढ़ली फिजिक्स पढ़ भद्रक रे ई पाखर जन्म लंठनाल रे पढ़थि कॉमर्स पढ़ी की तापरे एमबीए रो प्रथम लेक्चरर नेली उत्कल यूनिवर्सिटी मते जबरदस्ती पठा हला आईआईएम अहमदाबाद रे पाठ पढ़िया मागणे I was there for 1 year, 1988-89, to read what is this management, 24 papers and 1 project report. Then I did a part of it. Commerce and management. Jette पढ़िले भी सरुन. सिर्फ मुझे जानली से here learning is a lifelong process. Continuous process is horrible. आज सकाळ मी पढ़ी के मु भी लेखि के सारे बेसी पर्सन करछन प्रभात सर मुझे कम परिश्रम करछ. आज I feel very happy, very proud. गोटा हला फकीरमोहन यूनिवर्सिटी कोथरा आसले जेतले आसले घर पे आसले हया लागछ इन पाखरे घर आज के बेसी खुशी लागछ. Why I feel very proud and first commerce day celebration. फटेर रही ना फटेर रही फोटोटा हमर फोटो उठिया काम लेकिन रिटायर्ड लोक आमे कामल फोटो उठिया ड्रीम विषय बहुत एस्टीम्ड कलीग्स कहले रेवेन्सा यूनिवर्सिटी जे फर्स्ट कन्वोकेशन आस्तिले एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम से कहले जे ड्रीम्स पोजेस इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक एनर्जी मुझे तो कुछ बुझी पारे कौन ये बुढ़ा कौन तुम साइंस वाला है कि विश्व I believe that whenever you see a beautiful dream and you are motivated, then it possesses a lot of energy. It I strongly believe. So it may keep on these dreams and not the things which you see in the night. जो हमको सुनने नहीं देते हैं वो ड्रीम होते हैं. So think regarding that. Commerce students or management students, sir पैसा लेने प्रभात sir related. तेणु relationship बहुत मुझसे भीतर को जेबे नहीं. पढ़िले बहुत लाभ होची. मते यदि पचरा मु काई पढ़िले फिजिक्स स्टडी कॉमर्स ना मो सांग गोटे ब्रेन वॉश करला कौन फिजिक्स पढ़ी हो एते पैसा रोजगार करी आ कॉमर्स को मो ब्रेन वॉश कर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हो गले दोस्त मरले पैसा से सब मोहि पाली नि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट इन कलिकता पाठ पढ़े भूतला सतो मो जियो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट कंपनी रे फोन पढ़े से को मास्टर नहीं ले ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एटा फॉलो पाठ बोले मु एबे गोल्डन जुबली सेलिब्रेट करछ कोन सेटा ना 1976 रे कॉमर्स पढ़ी वर्षे भल पाइले तापर भल पाइ कॉमर्स तेणु 50 वर्ष मोर चलछ मु सेलिब्रेट करछ 50 वर्ष फॉर माय लव टुवर्ड्स कॉमर्स भल पाइले ना फर्स्ट ईयर +3 ऑनर्स मिला भद्रक कॉलेज ये अकाउंटिंग फेकाने बड़ा एडे कोई किन दे सुपर एग्रीकल्चर ये दीटा वही है तो बुके किन दे कि गोन डेली देखला रो जरा देला तेन समर वेकेशन रे जने मास्टर जे मोटे पढौथिले नै फर्स्ट ईयर किंतु भद्रक रे बेस्ट टीचर थले मरि गले नंद किशोर कोरण से को जानियो पहिले जे हाईएस्ट मार्क रखी छे बहुत मार्क रखी के आछि किंतु अकाउंटिंग भले की भल पानी तेणु से डकेले समर वेकेशन धरि के की से रंजन मु धरा है कि मतलब डाकेले मु बोले सर मु रंजन ने तू काली के खाता गुटे कर मुते धरे मु सर केतोले जे ना चक्का वाले मु बोले से सको को के बसथिले तळे सपटे पड़थिले तो बेल मारले से गला भीतर गया जानि को गेली जे आसी 3 घंटा बसे and he became my god throughout my life. So Morigala trust very memorial lecture. सबबळे चालची आर मासरे मुंबई करे बेसे memorial lecture. 3 hours. Artificial intelligence पढेले इनते करि परिबनी. AI cannot create vibrations in the classroom or vibes in the classroom. किए करि परि vibes ना ये that is a question. They can bring or they can create those vibes in the class. तेणु मु बहुत excellent teacher बा world class teacher पे पाठ पढ़ी मैंने हार्वर्ड पढ़ौतले मते भी पढ़ौतले तेणु ताको देखि के अनुभव आमे टिके उठ सो एते टैलेंट आमे टिके सीरीज से बात करले तो के खाउन आमे कोन खाउ ई बेला भाभी भाभी के किछ बेटा जा आमे पढ़ै छी भाभी So yes, I can win. So you can win बही मु 10 थर खने पढ़ी घुसी थी ता स्टोरी पर इसको कहीं ना मुझे जागीर पढ़ाई मतलब ब्रांडेड फर्स्ट आसेला ट्रेडिशनल मास्टर मु बुझी पइली नि ट्रेडिशनल मास्टर माने ना ये अंक मास्टर अकाउंटिंग पढोची से अकाउंटिंग जोटा मोटे होतला नै मु दरवा फरा सो मिसेल I have earned crores by teaching that one subject account. मुझे इंडियन अकाउंटिंग एसोसिएशन ऑल इंडिया प्रेसिडेंट के 2006 साल बहुत कंट्री मागणार बुझी प्रेसिडेंट पेटन हेले मागणार की इंडिया में चांस मिले इट इज रिवॉर्ड जेते हमें सिंसियरली फॉलो पाइल कॉमर्स एमबीए पीएमए सब प्लेट अछि बड़े बड़े प्लेट भल पाती मो दाढ़िया होते अछि से सिखेले प्रथमे निज को भल पाए हम लोग सिखाए प्रथमे बापा मां एने सब सिखाए ସେଟା ନାହିଁ ନିଜକୁ ଭଲ ପାଇଲେ ନିଜ ଫିଜିକାଲ ହେଲ୍ଥ ଆଉ ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ହେଲ୍ଥ ଠିକ ରହିବ ଯଦି ଫିଜିକାଲ ହେଲ୍ଥ ଆଉ ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ହେଲ୍ଥ ଠିକ ଅଛି ତାହେଲେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ପାଇବେ ଉତ୍କଳ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ପାଖରେ ଆପୋଲୋ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ସେଠି ସେ କହିଲେ ଅପରେସନ କଲେ 1.5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହବ ବୋଲି ମୋ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ କହିଲି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଗଲେ ପିଏଚଡି ଅଛି ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହେଲା କେତେ 7.5 ଲାख ସେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କ ପୁଅର ପଇସା ତ ସେ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ମାନେ ନହେଲେ ଆମଭଳିଆ ଲୋକ ତ ଅସୁବିଧାରେ ପଡୁଛି ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ଜଏଣ୍ଟ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ମୋ କହିବା କଥା ଆମେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଭଲ ପାଇବା ନିଜକୁ ହଉ ପାଠକୁ ହଉ ଫକୀରମୋହନ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ହଉ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଭାଇସ୍ ଚାନ୍ସେଲର ବହୁତ କାମ କରିସାରିଲେଣି ବୋଲି ଆମେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହେଇକି ଆସିଥିଲୁ ଉତ୍କଳ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିରେ 6ଟା ମ୍ୟୁଜିୟମ ନାହିଁ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ନା ଏଇଠି ଅଛି ଯୋଉଟା ଉତ୍କଳ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିରେ ନାହିଁ ଏଠି ହିସାବରେ ବୁଝିହେଲା କାହିଁକି ହେଲା ନା ସେ ଭଲ ପାଇଲେ ଇଚ୍ଛା କଲେ ଯେ ମୁଁ କରିବି କାମ ଇଚ୍ଛା କଲେ କାମ ଗୋଟା ହେଇଛି ତେଣୁ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରବଳ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଭିତରୁ ଆସିବା ଦରକାର ସେଇଟା ଆସିଲେ କେହି ଅଟକେଇ ପାରିବ ତେଣୁ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ମୁଁ ବି ଲେଖିକି ଆଣିଛି ବହୁତ କଥା ଭୁଲିଗଲେଣି ଆମର ଡ୍ରିମ୍ ହେଲା ବିକଶିତ ଭାରତ ତା ପାଇଁ କି କାମ କରିବା ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ କାମ କରିପାରିବା ଯଦି ଭାବିବା ଯେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ସବୁ କରିଦେବ all of us have to work specifically commerce management PMI ପିଲା କଣ କରିବେ ନା they are the wealth creators ମାନେ ଭୁଲି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମର ଉତ୍କଳରେ ପ୍ରତିବର୍ଷ କିଛି କିଛି ଏଣ୍ଟରପ୍ରିନିୟର ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଏଣ୍ଟରପ୍ରିନିୟରସିପ ଭଲ ପାଉଛନ୍ତି ଏଣ୍ଟରପ୍ରିନିୟର ହଉଛନ୍ତି କାହିଁ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଗରୁ ପୁଅ ଝିଅ ମିଳୁଥିଲେ ନା କେହି ବିଜନେସ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ ଏବେ ପୁଅ ଝିଅ ସବୁ ବାହା ହେବା ପାଇଁ ମିଳୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଣ୍ଟରପ୍ରିନିୟର ବା ଯେ ବିଜନେସ୍ ଆଗରୁ ଯେ ବିଜନେସ୍ ରହିଲା ମୋଟେ ଅଡୁଆ ହଉଥିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ କୋଉ ଝିଅ କମର୍ସ ପଢୁଥିଲେ ଭଦ୍ରକରେ ଜଣେ ଝିଅ କମର୍ସ ପଢୁଥିଲା ରେଭେନ୍ସାରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପାଠ ପଢିଲେ କେହି ଝିଅ ନା ସ୍କୁଲ ତେଣୁ ଏଇଆ ଥିଲା ଯୁଗ ଏଇକ୍ଷଣି ମେଜରିଟି କାରେ କମର୍ସ ଝିଅ ପିଲା ହେଇସାରିଲେଣି ବୋଲି ମୋ ଡାଟା କହୁଛି ସବୁ କଲେଜ ମେଜରିଟି ଝିଅ ପିଲା ଭଲ ପାଇଲେ କମର୍ସ ସେତେବେଳେ ପୁଅ ମିଳୁଥିଲେ ନା ବାହା ହେବା ପାଇଁ କେହି ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲେ ତେଣୁ ଏବେ ବମ୍ବେ ଯଦି ଯିବ ସେଠି ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟିଂ କିଏ ପଢାନ୍ତି ନା ଚାର୍ଟାର୍ଡ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ସେଠି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ରିଫରେନ୍ସ କୋଉଟା ନା କମର୍ସ ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ସାଇନ୍ସ ମିଳେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଟାଉନରେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଏରିଆରେ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ଯଦି ଆମେ ଯିବା ସେ ଗୁଜରାଟ ରାଜସ୍ଥାନ ମହାରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର କମର୍ସ କମର୍ସ ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ୟାକଲ୍ଟି ଯାହା ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ମିନିମମ୍ 5ଟା ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି କୋଉଠି 6ଟା ତେଣୁ ଯୋଉଠି କମର୍ସ ଗ୍ରୋ କଲା ସେଇଠି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସବୁ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ କିଛିଟା ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରଭାତ ସାର୍ କହୁଥିଲେ କେମିତି କମର୍ସର ସ୍କୋପ ବଢୁଛି ସ୍କୋପ ବଢିଲା ପରେ ରୋଜଗାର ବି ବଢୁଛି ଇକୋନୋମିକ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିଜ ବଢିଲେ ହିଁ ଇକୋନୋମିକ ଗ୍ରୋଥ ହବ ପ୍ଲିଜ ରିମେମ୍ବର ଇକୋନୋମିକ ଗ୍ରୋଥ ପାଇଁ କଣ ଦରକାର ନା ଇକୋନୋମିକ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିଜ ଦରକାର ସେ ସବୁ କିଏ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ନା ଏଇ କମର୍ସ ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ PMI ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଇକୋନୋମିକ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିଜ ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ଯଦି ଇକୋନୋମିକ ଗ୍ରୋଥ ଆଣିବା ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ବିକଶିତ ଭାରତ ଆଣିବା ବିକଶିତ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଆଣିବା ତାହେଲେ ଆମ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଇକୋନୋମିକ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିଜ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ଯେତିକି ପସିବଲ ତାହେଲେ ଆପକେ ଆପେ ୱେଲ୍ଥ ବଢିବ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଆମର ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ବାଣିଜ୍ୟ ବସତି ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ମୋ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଯିଏ ଯିବ ମୁଁ ବି ଟାୱାର କରୁ ସେଟା ଟିକେ ବାଙ୍ଗରା ହେଇଯାଇଛି if you go to my department in Utkal University you will find one tower small tower हिंदी रे लिखा है इंग्लिश रे लिखा है ओडिया रे लिखा है तीन कोड पर ट्रायंगल पर है ब्यूटीफुल मैसेजेस है बुझे सेरो मन रखियो पड़ी कि वाणिज्य बसते लगे मन रखियो पड़िबो हम के वर्ल्ड के इंटरनेशनल कॉमर्स डे सेलिब्रेट कर ना हमर एथिक्स रे लिखा है वसुधैव कुटुंबकम एटा हम कथा एटा आगवा कथा द वर्ल्ड इज ए फैमिली सेथरे बिलीव करले ही हमें ऊपर उठ हमर FIIs FDIs दरकार आज का इकोनॉमिक्स टाइम्स रे पढ़ी के आसिले एबे से फॉरेन फंड्स फ्लो हेसरलैंड तो होबा को जाउछ ଗଲା ମାସ ଆସିଗଲା ଏ ମଝିରେ ପଡୁଥିଲା ସେନ୍ସେକ୍ସ ଡାଉନ୍ ଏବେ ସେ ଫରେନ୍ ଫଣ୍ଡସର ଫ୍ଲୋ ଏଫଆଇଆଇ ମାନେ ଫରେନ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନାଲ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟର ମାନେ ଏବେ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ କଲେ ମୁଁ ଆଜି କାଲିକା ଡାଟା ଏଠି ଲେଖିଛି यूपीआई transactions. I mean, all of you should remember we are one of the leaders in the world in IT, in many things. ମୁଁ यूपीआई transactions କଥା କହୁଛି ଆମର କେତେ ହେଇସାରିଲାଣି ମାନେ ଗଲା ମାସ ଜୁଲାଇରେ 29.9 ଲାख crores ମୁଁ ଲକ୍ଷ କୋଟିରେ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଛୋଟିଆ ଛୋଟିଆ କିଛି କଥା କହୁନି ତା ମାନେ around 30 lakh crores UPI transaction ଆମର ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ବୁଝିଲୁଛି ଯେମିତି ସମସ୍ତ UPI transaction ଉପରେ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ବଢିବ 5.9 crores ଦାଖଲ କରିସାରିଛନ୍ତି 6 କୋଟି ହେଇଛି ମୋର କହିବା କଥା ଆଗରୁ 6 କୋଟି ଲୋକ ଟ୍ୟାକ୍ସ ଦଉଥିଲେ ଏବେ ରିଟର୍ନ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଯାଇଛି around 6 crores କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପଢୁଥିଲେ ब्रिक्स एजुकेशन समिट हमरो कालना परदिन रो फास्टेज रो ब्रिक्स एजुकेशन समिट छोटे समिट में ओगो बोल सर भलो होटल लिए जो मैं पे काई नहीं हो किछ अच्छी बोली होटल एजुकेशन समिट उड़ीसा इज बिकमिंग वन एजुकेशनल हब कलकत्ता रो बहुत पिला एठी पड़े इससे पढ़िया पे कहीं पाक काले बहुत जानती हुई ये पाक कलकत्ता बहुत पाक खड़गपुर बहुत पाक तेणु वी कैन क्रिएट रिलेशनशिप विथ खड़गपुर विथ कलकत्ता हमरो ए जो एनवायरनमेंट को यदि हम फॉलो करले समस्त उपयोग गोटे कथा आईआईएम मोहम्मदाबाद रे तो पाठ पढ़िया बोली प्रथमे जदियो मु गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट किंतु कंडीशन खराब झाड़ा परिश्रा कंडीशन कहेंगे ना लेक्चर मेथड नहीं नो लेक्चर में की मेथड ना केस मेथड प्रेजेंटेशन मेथड रोल प्ले मेथड सब टू कष्ट है रोल मु थरे कांति छी मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर रोल दे देला आगु कोइते मुझे घसी घसी कास्ता हम सु घसा वाला गोल्ड मेडल पैच से सीटी गोले रोल दे कभी प्लीड विथ फॉरेन काउंटरपार्ट एंड इंडियन counterpart for expansion and modernization. गला में कंडीशन खराब सिटी क्लास गुडा ई भी क्लास लेक्चर मेथड नहीं मैं कि को मेथड फॉलो करछ लेक्चर में आईआईएम मोहम्मदाबाद रे हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल में कार्बन कॉपी लेक्चर मेथड नहीं सीट में सब कंडीशन खराब बट लर्निंग इज ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଲେ ଆଇ ମୋହାମ୍ମଦାବାଦ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ପିଲା ନୋଟ୍ ଥିଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ବୋଲେ ତମମାନଙ୍କର ଫୁଟାଣି କାହିଁକି ଏତେ ଅଧିକ ଏଠି ପଢୁଛ ବୋଲି ସେ କହିଲେ ଆମେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଏପିସି ଥିଲା ବାଙ୍ଗାଲୋର କାଲକାଟା ତମ ଫୁଟାଣି କାହିଁକି ଅଧିକ ନା ସାର୍ ଆମେ ବେଶୀ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରୁଛୁ କେମିତି ବେଶୀ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଖାଲି ପରେ କେସ୍ ଭିତରେ ହଗେଇମତି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଆମ ଫୁଟାଣି ହେବ and always they receive the highest salary in India. Everybody is going number one. I am on now. जितना देखो, से कोई आमे number one. आके तेरे देखो, वो कि environment अच्छा. राते दीटा पूर्व केस हुई मैंने दीटा वाले चिले के जोर तापर सुये की. सकाल भी चप्पल पिंदी दौड़ थी क्लास. से तो भी आईएएस ऑफिसर 2 जन 3 जन ब्रेक नहीं जाने पाठ पढ़े होती से भी हाफ पैंट पिंदी दो क्लास एना 8:30 और 8:45 एवरी क्लास आ वो कहया जाता है एनवायरनमेंट वी विल क्रिएट दैट एनवायरनमेंट आपको क्या भी पाठ हो सीरम कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स जाई से इधर प्रेसिडेंट हेली दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी रे इलेक्टेड हेली सीरम कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स डाके दिला द बेस्ट कॉलेज इन इंडिया एटलीस्ट तो सिटी में देखिए एनवायरनमेंट काहे ना 98% न रखले से पड़े कि डायपर खले सहेरो 98% रखले कॉमर्स पार्ट पढ़ी पेलो न पढ़ी पेलो एंड स्टूडेंट्स आर गेटिंग एडमिशन आफ्टर securing 100% एटा फिलॉसफी कट ऑफ 98% ମୁଁ ସେଠିକି ଯାଉଥିଲି ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଖାଲି ଏଠିକା ପିଲା କଣ ମାଷ୍ଟର କଣ why after become they are getting 30-40 lakhs salary ପରେ become ପରେ ତାଙ୍କ salary ହେଉଛି 30-40 lakhs why କାହିଁକି ନା environment से ଭଲ ପାଆନ୍ତି ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ସେ ମାଟି ପବନକୁ ଭଲ ପାଆନ୍ତି ଆମେ ସାରେ 38 ପଏଣ୍ଟ ମାନେ 38 ରୁ ଅଧିକ ବର୍ଷ ସାର୍ ରହିଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରଭାତ ସାର୍ ବାଣୀ ଭାଇ ମୁଁ ବାଣୀ ଭାଇ କେତେ 35 years ଆମେ ସେଠିକା ମାଟି ପାଣି ପବନ ସବୁକୁ ଭଲ କରୁ ମୁଁ ରେଷ୍ଟୁରାଣ୍ଟ ଭାଇସ୍ ଚାନ୍ସେଲର କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ଥିଲେ ସେ 35-40 ବର୍ଷ ଥିଲେ ସେଠିକା ପିଲା ସେଠିକା ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚର ସେଠିକା ପିଲା ସବୁ ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ମାଟି ଗୋଡ଼ି ପାଣି ପବନକୁ ଭଲ କରୁ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସେଠିକି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯାଉ ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ଫିଲ୍ ଭେରି ପ୍ରାଉଡ୍ ଫିଲ୍ ଭେରି ହ୍ୟାପି ତାପରେ ଟିକେ କମର୍ସ କଥା ବେଶୀ କହିବିନି ମୁଁ ଏକାଉଣ୍ଟିଂ ମାଷ୍ଟର ଜୀବନ ସାରା 45-46 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା କଣ ଏକାଉଣ୍ଟ ମସିହା ପାସ୍ କଲି ଏମକମ୍ ଏକାଉଣ୍ଟିଂ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏକାଉଣ୍ଟିଂ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହଉଛି ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ବେଳେ କହେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ଇଜ ଦି ଓନ୍ଲି କନଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ ଟୁଡେସ୍ वर्ल्ड ये वर्ड है ना भूखा वर्ड भूखा कौन ही रहला वोलेटिलिटी यू रहला अनसर्टेनिटी सी रहला कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ए रहला एम्बिग्युइटी एटा तो भूखा वर्ड ये बड़े जगह रे हम किमिति ऊपर उठिला ना चेंज हेलो ऊपर फ्लेक्सिबल एकाउंटिंग केमिति चेंज होछि मु तो प्रथम पढेली मते सार घोषे दिले एकाउंटिंग इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ बिजनेस मु भी घोषी पढेली से तापर पिला क्वेश्चन कर सारे केमिति लैंग्वेज पुन तापै बहिणी पढेली हाउ इट इज लैंग्वेज के तो ऐसे क्लास में तापर घोषिले एकाउंटिंग is an information system एटा मॉडर्न डेफिनेशन मु तो ले मार्क पढोतले मास्टर थे बुझे तापर पुन घोषिले एकाउंटिंग इज द साइंस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एटा बड़ा दिए सीधा डेफिनेशन टू थर्ड डेफिनेशन केते बड़ा है एकाउंटिंग इज द साइंस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन पुणे 26 रे घोषुची एकाउंटिंग इज द साइंस ऑफ बिजनेस रिव्यू माने पूरा बुझी पड़नी तो घोषुची पढुची ये देखो हाउ एकाउंटिंग इज द साइंस ऑफ बिजनेस रिव्यू देखो कितने चेंज होचे एटा कलकत्ता रे जनवरी रो घुसी जाछि आपण एके पढा पढी करछि मोर कहया त चेंज समस्त हम चेंज हो मोर रेवेन्सर पढथला बेले सीधा पढुते मिरर दरकार पढथला तापर कैरिकेचर स्टाइल करे पूरे बाणीजार को स्टाइल न कला हो तेरो आमे भी सब चेंज हो चेंज देखि प्रथम दिन जना सर हमको सिखेल सबदिन दाढ़ी काट केसला हम तो नहीं किसी ना जंगल न था सबदिन काट केस सबदिन पेट भीतर स्टार्ट करते कर केस तेरो ऐसा प्रथम रे हम सब ये सिखा सबदिन भला जूता पिन केस एठी मास्टर माने छुटिया मास्टर कम से तेरो हम सब डे 1 रो से रविवार भी मने पड़े नि दाढ़ी काट जेमते क्लास तापर मने पड़िया छुट्टी रे आती क्लास तेरो इमोशनल अबल पड़ी मु कोने जे इमोशनली वीक होबा पड़ी इमोशनल होबा पड़ी मु जानि जे कहते कि सारी भी जे सो दो चीज ये इमोशन फिजिकल इंफ्रा डिजिटल इंफ्रा सब बड़े से एठी कोन दरकार ने इंटेलेक्चुअल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जोटा स्टूडेंट बेसी चेष्टा करछथि सब बड़े पड़े इंटेलेक्चुअल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ये मास्टर किंतु मास्टर माने भलो पढ़े भलो सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट करिवे ट्रेनिंग देबे मु बहुत ट्रेनिंग दी जीवन रे बहुत एप्रेसर कोर्स करछ बहुत नॉर्थ ईस्ट रे इन फ्लाइट मिले अगर हम फ्लाइट रे मिले केवल नॉर्थ ईस्ट में फ्लाइट मिले तेरे मुझे नॉर्थ ईस्ट जब 1983 मार्च से समर वेकेशन प्रति वर्ष जाते खाली फ्लाइट रे जे नॉर्थ ईस्ट पाठ पढ़ी भी जेटी समर वेकेशन में कहीं ना उड़ी उड़ी गई उड़िया पढ़ी we have to fly we have to see the dreams to fly ନହେଲେ ସେ ଭିତରୁ ଆସିବନି ସେଇ ଯେ ହଁ ମୁଁ ବି ପଢିଲି କାହିଁକିନା ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ଲଣ୍ଡନ ଏଇ ବାଲେଶ୍ୱରରେ ମୁଁ ହଜିଥିଲି ବାବା ଚାକିରି କରୁଥିଲି ସରକାରୀ ଗୋଟେ ପେରେଡ୍ ପଡ଼ିଆକୁ ଉଠି ଅଛି ପେରେଡ୍ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଆମେ ଦୁଇଟି ପିଲା 5 ବର୍ଷ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା ଯାଇଥିଲୁ ମୋର ଗାଲ ପଟି ଲାଗିଥିଲା ସେ ପେରେଡ୍ରେ ମାର୍କ ପାସ୍ କରି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଚାଲିଲା ଆମେ ତାକୁ କିଛି ବିଚାରିଲୁ ଇଆଡ଼େ ବାପା ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳକୁ ନାହିଁ 3 ଘଣ୍ଟା ପରେ ପୋଲିସ ଆମକୁ ବତାଇଲା ଆମେ ରାସ୍ତା କଡ଼ରେ କାନ୍ଦୁଛୁ 2 ଜଣ ଥିଲେ ବୋଲି ଚଳିଗଲା ଏଇ ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ମୋର କହିବା କଥା Baleshwar is having its uniqueness. All of you should feel proud that you are students of a good university. जेपର୍ଯ୍यନ୍ତ ଏଇ ଆସିବାର ଭିତରେ message ସେପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କେହି ଉଠିପାରିବେ all teachers should also feel that like that ଯେ ଆମେ ଭଲ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ତେଣୁ ସେଇ ଆସିଲେ ଭିତରୁ ମେସେଜ ସେଇଭଳିଆ ମାନେ ସେ ଫିଲିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଆସିଲେ ତାହେଲେ ଯାଇ ଉଠିପାରିବା ମୁଁ ପ୍ରତି ବର୍ଷ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ବହୁତ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ କରେ ଅଳ୍ପ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖୁଛୁ ଆଟିଚ୍ୟୁଡ୍ ଦେଖୁଛୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଜଣେ ପଚାରିଲା କେମିତି ପଶୁଛି ମୁଁ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜି ପଢିଛି 100 ମାର୍କର ଆଇଏମ୍ ମମତା ଆମେ ଅନଉଛୁ ସେଇଠୁ ସାଇକୋଲୋଜି ମାର୍କ ଦଉଛୁ ତ ଆଟିଚ୍ୟୁଡରେ କେତେ ପାଇବ ବସିବା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖୁଛୁ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଦେଖୁଛୁ ସ୍କିଲ୍ରେ କେତେ ପାଇବ ସେସବୁ ନଲେଜ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପାଠ ପଢୁଥିଲି ଆମର ଗୋଲ୍ଡ ମେଡାଲ ପାଇଥିଲି ବୋଲି ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଚାକିରି ଆସିଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ଭଦ୍ରକ କଲେଜ ମୁଁ ଯାଇ ଗଲିନି କାହିଁକିନା ରିଜର୍ଭ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ଥିଲି ବୋଲି ମୋର କହିବା କଥା ସେତେବେଳେ ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଚାକିରି ଆସିଥିଲା ମାର୍କ ଏବେ ଆସୁଛି ଏବେ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଥିଲେ ଚାକିରି ଆସିବ ତେଣୁ why not to develop these things ସ୍କିଲ୍ ନଲେଜ ସବୁ ଏଇ ପିଲାମାନେ ଯଦି ସ୍କିଲ୍ ବଢେଇ ଦେବ ମୁଁ 3 ଖଣ୍ଡ ସଫ୍ଟ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ବହି ପଢିଛି ରାଗିକି କ'ଣ ଯେ ସଫ୍ଟ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଆମର କାହିଁକି ହବନି ତେଣୁ ସଫ୍ଟ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ବହି ଡିଡିସି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ଥିଲାବେଳେ ମୁଁ ସଫ୍ଟ ସ୍କିଲ୍ର ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ସ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ ସେଠି କରିଥିଲି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ପଢିଥିଲି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ନେଇଥିଲି ମୋର କହିବା ଜିଦି ଦରକାର ଯୋଉଟା ଆମେ ଯେକୌଣସି ପଢିଲେ ନିଜର ସ୍କିଲ୍ ବଢେଇ ପାରିବା କାହିଁକିନା ମୁଁ ଇଂଲିଶ ଭଲ କହିପାରୁଥିଲି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଡରିକି ମାଷ୍ଟର ଚାକିରି କାହିଁକିନା ସାର୍ ଯାହା କହୁଥିଲେ ବାଳୁଙ୍ଗା ପିଲା ପଢିବା ରେଭେନ୍ସା ସେ ବାଳୁଙ୍ଗା ପିଲାକୁ ଦେଖିକି ମୁଁ ଡରିଗଲି ଏଠି ମାଷ୍ଟର ହେଲେ ଚପଟ ମୁଟେ ହେବିନି ତାପରେ ବାଣିଜ୍ୟରେ ତ ଚାକିରି ଆସିଲା ମୁଁ ପଢିଥିଲି ନାହିଁ ତ ବାଣିଜ୍ୟରେ ମତେ କହିଲେ ଭାରି ଭଲ କେତେ ପିଲା 40 ସେଇଠୁ ବାଣିଜ୍ୟରେ ଆସିଲି ଭଲ ପାଇଲି ଟିକେ ଉପକୃତ ଉଠିଛି ମୁଁ ଏବେ ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ ସେ କହିଦେଲା ଏସବିଏମ୍ ରେ ଅଛି ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଭେରି ମଚ୍
Thank you, sir, for your insightful address. Your inspiring words have encouraged us to embrace innovation, excellence, and ethical leadership in the changing dimension of commerce and management. Moving forward with the prize distribution ceremony, ladies and gentlemen, every achievement deserves recognition and every effort deserves appreciation. May I request our honorable dignitaries on the dais to kindly present the prizes to the winners. The winners for the PowerPoint presentation, first prize goes to Sambit Patra, Department of Microbiology. Please give a big round of applause. Second, Sanjit Abhishek Rao, Department of Commerce. There is a guy with Abhishek Others from Department of Commerce. In the third position, Ankita Panda from Geography Department and Satyavardhan Panda from Business Management Department. For quiz competition, the first prize goes to Prabhati Parida, Department of Commerce. And the second prize goes to Rasmika Palle from the Department of Commerce. In the third position, there is 3 people. First, Swadhantra Ranjan Vishwar, PABI Department, Sandharani Parmani from the Botany Department, and Ajgar Amin San from the Department of Commerce. Please give a big round of applause for our winners. In English debate, the first prize goes to Sanghamitra Mohanty, Department of Commerce. Second prize goes to Anshuman Mohanty from the Department of Commerce. Last but not the least, third prize goes to Ankita Panda from the Department of Geography. Congratulations all the winners. Your dedication and hard work are truly commendable. To those who could not win today, remember that
Anywhere or Guru Officer Prahatma Manti Ajira Samani Officer Ranjan Kumar Bharat Ajira Samani Athithi Our Snattakottar Parishad Adhyaksh Professor Santosh Kumar Agarwal Business Studies Vibhagar Mukhya Professor Padmalita Ratray वाणिज्य विभाग संयोजक डॉक्टर देवदत्त नायक देवदत्त दास सम्मुखरे उपस्थित विभिन्न विभाग अध्यापक अध्यापिका एवं वाणिज्य बिजनेस स्टडीज पीएमआई तथा अर्थनीति विभाग छात्र छात्री बंधुगण आज आनंदर कथा जे आमे समस्त एकाठी वाणिज्य दिवस अंतर्जातीय वाणिज्य दिवस पालन करुचे एवं कॉमर्स डिपार्टमेंट बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट और पीएमआई विभाग संगे मिसी ये दिवस आम विश्वविद्यालय प्रथम थर पे पालन आमे दिन राति कॉमर्स रो प्राधान्य उपलब्धि करछे बर्तमान जो दुई जन विशेष व्यक्तित्व को सुनिल हाउ कॉमर्स इज इम्पोर्टेंट हमें से कथा बुझिपार किंतु कॉमर्स को हमें भावुचे सेटा वाणिज्य पाठ सेटा बोलिया पाठ आज जति कहले प्रभास सर एमएससी एससी के कॉम्बिका से धारणा बोधेटी रही पिलामाने कोर्ट कचेरी पिंधि आसुछन्ति देखिବାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି କିନ୍ତୁ somehow ସେମାନେ ବି କନଫାଇନ୍ଡ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆମର ବିଭାଗଟା କମର୍ସ ବିଭାଗ ଏବଂ ସାର୍ ମାନେ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ମାନେ ଆହୁରି ବିଚିତ୍ର ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା କରିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ତୋ ବିଭାଗ ତୋର ମୋ ବିଭାଗ ମୋର କିନ୍ତୁ ବାହାରେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ the world is divided by countries but united by commerce कॉमर्स ର अपरूट रे बाकी सब आसी से କଥା विश्वास करे ना इकोनॉमिक्स वाला होउछन्ति कॉमर्स को हो कॉमर्स इके दूरी भाई जोठी वाणिज्य संबंधी पाठ पढ़ा हला से सब एकाठी चलले असुविधा कोठी जेतबेले बहुमुखी व्यवस्था रे मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी अप्रोच रे पाठ को आगेवा को पडुची सेतबेले आम मुंड को एपर्यंत भी आसेनी जे वी शुड बी यूनाइटेड to have something जोतरे हमरो सब पिला बेनिफिट सब पिला लाभ we are still divided we are still not united this is a hard truth which I see in this university because even if I try मुझे तोरे कहबी एटा न कहले एटा सत्य हासु नाही जे हम समस्त एकाठी बढ़िबा हम समस्त एकाठी किछि करे केबे आसो ऊपर वाला and though we feel in every step of life जेतबेले न्यूज एबे खोलुचे सेटा हॉर्मुज प्रणाली हो बा यूक्रेन रशिया वार हो युद्ध जनित वाणिज्य हो बा स्पेस जनित वाणिज्य हो सबले किछ ना किछ हम समस्त पढुचे विचित्र भाव रे उपलब्धि भी करू किंतु दुर्भाग्य कथा हम ताकू अंगे रेबेवा को चेष्टा करूने हम पिला को बांटवा को चेष्टा करू हम जहा पढिथिले ता पढे की सीमित रहउचे एवं सीमित कर देउचे जाकि मो मत रे उचित वाणिज्य दिवस पालन अवसर रे तो अनुरोध रहइबो खाली से जो एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स सर्विसेज एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी ता भीतर डेफिनेशन को सीमित न करी हमको काम रे लगे हाउ इट इज डन हाउ माय स्टूडेंट्स विल ग्रो दैट मस्ट बी आवर अप्रोच वी मस्ट लुक एट इट बिकॉज़ आई नो कॉमर्स कनेक्ट्स commerce builds and commerce unites the world. We have to be very careful about it. जते साइंस को भी देखबा सेमाने वर्तमान कॉमर्स संगे प्रचंड भाव रे आले ये स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी सप्लाई करछि कि आर्म्स टेक्नोलॉजी सप्लाई करछि कि आर्म्स एंड एनिमेशन सप्लाई करछि कि हमें अनुस प्रणे बंद होला पर जो पेट्रोल रेट बढ़ी गला जहा हला सबुच रे हमें कॉमर्स को उपलब्ध Now the time is we should not be confined to one subject, should not be confined to one book, should not be confined to one area, but we have to enlarge our areas of activities, areas of studies through research, through teaching, and through our studies also, by which we can grow together. It is possible. हमें importance of commerce कहला बेले compartmentalism अतो ग्रहणीय कौनसी मत भी ग्रहणीय में for the growth of business studies as a whole we must be united we must show the way to our students that we can grow through this mechanism through a multidisciplinary approach भाई वगैरह चलेले आगु बढ़िया संभव एवं मु जहा जानि छी मु सेटा मो पिला को पढेबी मु जहा पढुची केवल मो पिला जानिबा उचित मु जहा शिखिची केवल मो पिला शिखिबा उचित एक धारणा रे बढ़िबार संभावना है this selfish attitude always drags you down it never helps you to go up so please the revolution should start from teachers themselves they should be united to teach all subjects to have a multidisciplinary approach and students also should do friends आप मैंने महांती सर को सुनिले आईआईएससी रे प्रथमे मैनेजमेंट विभाग इट इज सरप्राइज आईआईएससी इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस सेठी प्रथमे मैनेजमेंट विभाग खुलिबा इट इज सरप्राइज फकीरमोहन विश्वविद्यालय तो एटा ଗୋଟେ ସପ୍ତାଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ साइंस विभाग टा केमती खोली दिल्ली स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स रे मैनेजमेंट खोली इकोनॉमिक्स के विभाग केमती मैनेजमेंट खोली अब पचारले उत्तर आश्चर्यजनक भावधारा भाई we must learn from all we must try to learn by these things and how we can be also connecting to science we can connect to other subjects that should be given priority psychology पढ़ावा सब विभाग रे बाध्यतामूलक हवा मु जति जानु छी यदि कोठी पढ़ा जाव नाही ए वर्ष आपण माने स्थिर करंतु सब विभाग रे साइकोलॉजी पढ़ा because mental health is important well-being of a person is more important than making him somebody as a professional we should learn about it जोटा प्रोफेसर बड़ा कहले जे सीए जोड़े एपीटी रे गले आई एम अहमदाबाद रे पढ़ला बेले 100 मार्क रो साइकोलॉजी it's not industrial psychology it is psychology we should learn it and friends for everything जहाँ प्रोफेसर बड़ा कहले the atmosphere is built by students and teachers. The whole system is built by students and teachers. When we do it together, it helps us to grow together. और अनुरोध रहेगा अंततः जो इजी गोइंग अप्रोच अच्छी मुझे जति पढ़ी सती पढ़े छाड़ देवी पर मो कोर्स रे एतिक अच्छी मु सती पढ़ी प्लीज डोंट डू दैट go for sharing experiences go for sharing experiments change yourself if you change yourself as per requirement of the time obviously it will be changed as sir said that change is the only constant and hard work obviously gives the result पाठ को अपनेवा को पाठ को अंगे निभेवा को पाठ खाली पढ़िबा नहीं ताको हजम करिया करिले उन्नति निश्चय संभव थैंक यू वेरी मच and I am also thankful to the students who are attending this Commerce Day but without a road map. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring and visionary ideas. express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone whose presence and support made this celebration meaningful and memorable. May I now invite Dr. Rajaram Maji, Assistant Professor of Digital Department of Commerce, to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Vice Chancellor Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi sir, respected Chairman PG Council Professor Santosh Kumar Agrawal sir, respected former Vice Chancellor SPM University Professor Ranjan Kumar Bhala sir, respected former Professor Utkal University Professor Prabhat Kumar Mohan sir, respected HOD Business Management and Coordinator of PMR Professor Padmalita Rao madam, respected Coordinator of Commerce Dr. Devadat Das sir, all the senior faculty members of the university and my dear student friends. It's my privilege to propose Thanksgiving on this occasion of Commerce Day 2026. First and foremost, I express my heartfelt gratitude to our Vice Chancellor, Sri Santosh Kumar Tripathi sir, for joining this occasion as chief guest and addressing an inspiring and motivational words how commerce connect to everyone, how commerce connect, build and united everyone to the society. Thank you so much, sir. I extend my sincere gratitude to Professor Santosh Kumar Agrawal sir, Chairman PG Council, for your valuable thoughts and giving all types of support and cooperation for making this event. Thank you so much, sir. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Professor Ranjan Kumar sir for sharing your rich experience and insightful thoughts on this occasion of Commerce Day and describe to love yourself first. Thank you so much, sir. My sincere gratitude to Professor Prabhat Kumar Mohan sir for your inspiring address to our students, which have enriched all of us on this occasion of Commerce Day and explain how development of commerce management and PLM subject in the society. Thank you so much, sir. I extend my gratitude to Professor Padmalita Rao madam for your support and cooperation to making this event. Thank you, madam. I express my gratitude to Dr. Devadat Das sir for your dedication and effort to make this event a grand success. Thank you, sir. And finally, my appreciation to all the teaching and non-teaching staff over here, students, volunteers, participants, winners, and those who are directly or indirectly involved in this event to make this event memorable and successful. With this word, I conclude here. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Now may I request all the dignitaries, faculty members, and student friends for the group photo.